Good afternoon, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. Just listing this 2021 255 Freedom from Grady-White. Boat's in great shape. A little more windlass up front. There's covers for the entire boat. There's cushions for these that you can see in the pictures. There's a bow block-off door here that opens up. Powder coating's all in great shape. Light blue underneath the hardtop to match the hull. The Grady power seat makes this a large lounger here. This transom seat opens up. Then you have live well here. There's a ski tow pylon that goes in here, located over here. Sink over here. So lots of nice amenities on this boat. The boat has 68 hours, 12-inch Garmin, the Yamaha display, the digital shift and throttle, XC8 150 engines. The boat's really in great shape. I can't think of anything that's really not first class on the boat. It's in just been recently serviced, freshwater wash here, and then a saltwater wash down over here. So give us a call today on this 2021 Grady-White 255 MarineMax Savannah, 912-525-0961. Thank you very much.